How to create sales enquiry in Businet. Users can create sales enquiry for both domestic and export, and also can select the customer type as a customer or as a prospect. Then user need to select the inquiry source, customer name, and they need to add the items with its quantities and prices. Further, they need to add the communication details such as communication type, call date, contacted by and to, contact details and remarks. Users can also add multiple attachments to this inquiry. Once the document is approved, users can also raise the quotation against the received inquiry and can also generate the PDF print. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.